This is the salty water.
Yeah.
Because of the
Yeah. The Nakuru one, the Naivasha one is
fresh water. The salty water you don't find a lot of fish.
Yeah. Also.